Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can check for video copyright on TikTok before you ever actually post the video, so that way you can keep your account in good standing. I'm also going to show you how to check if your account is in good standing, so make sure to watch this whole video. It'll be pretty quick and simple because it's not hard to do. So let's go ahead, open up TikTok. And once we're in TikTok here, we're going to want to tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right hand corner. From here, we're going to want to go to our TikTok studio. And then to automatically check our copyright videos or see if we have copyright in our videos, we're going to want to go to this gear icon over here in the upper right hand corner. And you're going to want to make sure that you have this one checked on. Video, sound, copyright, check. Make sure that that is turned on. And then basically every single time you create a new post, it's going to check and make sure that you don't have any copyright violations. So now let's go ahead and see if our account is currently in good standing. You want to go back to the TikTok studio and you're going to want to scroll down to where you see check account. And what this is going to do is check all of your posts, and it's going to take a little bit of time, but it's actually pretty quick depending on how many posts that you have. And it will run a little report for you. As you can see with mine, my account is in good standing. So especially if you didn't have this part checked, I would definitely recommend that you turn it on and then go check your account standing, because some of your past videos might have been copyrighted. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.